morning children. There was an interruption in the video, so I am continuing. Question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. So sample space S is 132 good pens and 12 defective pens. Then number in the sample space, that is the total number of possible outcome is 132 plus 12 is 144. So probability of getting a good pen. So good pen. So number of favorable outcomes. What are the number of favorable outcomes? NE is equal to 132. So PE is equal to NE by NS. So P a good pen equal to 132 by 144. 12 1 11 by 12. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. There are 20 bulbs and out of that 4 defective ones are there. So I am writing the sample space. So in this group there are 20 bulbs, 4 defective. Then out of 20, 16 one good ones. One bulb is thrown at random from the lot. What is the probability of that bulb is defective? So NS is equal to 4 plus 16, it is 20. P is equal to NE by NS. So P, the defective one, the number of favorable outcome is 4. Then P bulb is defective. P defective is 4 by 20. That is 1 by 5. Next one. Suppose the bulb thrown in is not defective and it is not. Second part. So they have removed one bulb. It is not defective. That is, the sample space is not out of 20, one bulb is removed. Therefore, which is that bulb? Bulb removed is not defective. That is, the good one is removed. Therefore, here in this group it is 4 defective and 15 good one. One good one is removed. Therefore, NS in this is 4 plus 15 is 19. Because out of 20, one good one is removed. So it is total is coming 19. Then probability that bulb is not defective. So P not defective. Not defective means good ones. How many good ones are here? 15. Total will be 19. It is 15 by 19. Next one, 18th question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. So sample space is 1, 2, 3 up to 9. One disc is thrown at random from the box for probability that it bears a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number. So favorable outcomes, you know, it is starting from 10, 11, 12 up to 90. So first 9 numbers are not there. Therefore, NE is equal to total 90. First 9 numbers are not there. So favorable outcome is 81. So P, a 2-digit number, is actually P is equal to NE by NS. Here the sample space is 90, so NS is equal to 90. 81 by 90, 9 by 10, it is 9 by 10 is a 2-digit number. Second part, a perfect square. Here also favorable outcomes. Square means 1 squared is 1, 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16, 5 squared 25, 6 squared 36, 7 squared 49, 7 squared 49, 8 squared 64, 9 squared 81. It's over. 10 squared is 100. So what is our NE? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the perfect squares are 9 numbers. Therefore, the probability of perfect square is, there are 9, total is 90, so it is 1 by 10. Next one, a number divisible by 5. Again favorable outcomes. You know that out from 10, this one below 10, 5 and 10 is there, then 10 to 20, 15, 20, like that. The last is 80 to 90, 85 to 90. So therefore, number in the favorable outcome is below 10 to 9 means total will be, when you count it, it will become 18. So it is, NE is 18, then a number divisible by 5 is 18 by 90, 9 to 9, 10, 5, 1 by 5. So rest of the question, 4, 5 questions are there that you do by yourself.